Today, UBTV Sport has come to check out the basketball, with the first playing the second. It's a big game. Neither team wants to lose.
All around the world. To the beach, y'all. Let's go. All around the world. Y'all know this is so that.
It's going to be a beautiful day of basketball here today, fellas. We're not talking about just regular basketball.
A few minutes before the game, let's have a word with the captains. Gents, you'd like to introduce yourselves?
Hi, yeah, I'm James Throop, men's first team captain.
Excellent. And how about yourself?
I'm Paul Madidal, I'm second team captain.
How have your seasons gone so far then?
It's been pretty tough in the Bucks League. We got four teams tied at the moment at the top, so it's going to be a tough second half of the season.
And how about yourself?
It's been pretty hard this year. We got promoted after winning the league last year. So far we're second from bottom, but we want to stay in the league.
And how do you think today's going to go down? Who do you think is going to have the edge?
We'll try our best.
Second team will try their best, and we'll be trying to get in as many players as possible from the first team, make sure that we've got everyone.
You guys must move. Yeah.
You must move.
That's good. All right.
Score 104-58. How do you think the game went today?
Today it was a good game. We have got its good defense. We have got its offense. It's sometimes it's really good for us, of course, team. We need to mention we have got its young players. Second team on the moment it's Lyon, and also make better experience for us.
What are the plans for this year? What do you want to see your team ideally achieve?
Yeah, it's very hard work. Of course, it's very important. It's twice a week. It's training. It's not too much on the moment. We wish it's like in Poland. It's 4 or 5 times. We've got the system. It's minimum 4 times a week. A week, of course, training. It's this country has got different system. Twice a week, you cannot training properly.
I'm here with Doug. What do you make of your team's performance today?
Excellent performance. I mean, it's good camaraderie between both teams. Obviously, both going to Bristol Uni, but at the end of the day, it's a competition, so it's good to come out on top. We're in a pretty good state right now. I mean, we're, I think, second or third in the table, so we control our own destiny in a way. As long as we win out and perform each time out, then we should be able to come away top of the table.
Obviously, a lot of talented athletes here today. Who do you think was the man of the match out of them all?
I think man of the match today would have to be Hamish Russell. It's not necessarily our most talented player per se. We have a lot of talented guys from top to the bottom, but today I think he pulled out all the stops and just hustled. Even when the points, the game was a little bit out of reach. You know what I'm saying? I was asking the guys on the sideline just to continue to play on. You know what I'm saying? No matter the score, and he was the one that did that the best, I thought.
Well, that's all from UBTV Sport. In the end, a very emphatic victory from the first. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.